As a chairman, I welcome you, all the external members, especially Ram Krishna Garu. All the way he has come physically and to guide the people here. And I thank Dr. Shant Swarup Garu and Babu Rao Garu and
Professor Satyanarayana.
Professor Satyanarayana Garu, Vidhu, and all the other people, the deans and HODs of our institution. Thank you very much. So before going to the regular agenda, I want to put some proposal for all the academic council members. The ground level scenario is the students are not opting anything except computer science. So that is the ground level scenario. Uh, that we can't change. That is there in many of the deemed universities. They have closed the mechanical, civil, and triple E and all that. So naturally, the similar kind of I mean ideas are very much here, and attitudes of parents and students are very much here. Now, what I want to propose at this juncture is, I don't want to remove that departments as it is done by many other universities. I wanted to make it more vibrant. I wanted to make it suitable to the changing scenario. In that context, so for every branch, we had to add some computer science element. Of course, we have revised the entire syllabus to 2019, but nobody can stop us to revise in again 2021. There should be a major revision in the curriculum in tune with the changing scenario. Every course, including law, it should be, because in the law also the Chief Justice of India has already proposed, and Mr. Justice Nageswara Rao is heading that department to automatize and to use the artificial intelligence to clear the cases. Now it is going on very seriously in the Supreme Court. So law is also not exception to this proposal. So as the members of the academic council, as the people from the industry mostly, and also academic bodies, I suggest you to how to go about. Okay, in this process, Ramakrishna was already telling many times, we have to remove many things of the outdated things, and yes, what are the things to be removed, and how to fill that gap with the latest things, especially from the IT and computer science elements. So this is the very Herculean task. I think we are the first people to react like this, but we have to do it. Otherwise, even uh, till last year, EC is also in the demanding status. Now, entire state, not this university, other colleges also, they are not takers for ECE, and no admissions for ECE also reduced considerably. Triple E is also in a bad shape, and civil and mechanical are also in the same shape. So we have to revamp, not simply revision of one chapter deletion and one chapter addition kind of thing. We have to totally revamp the curriculum. There is no other way to make these departments survive. Otherwise, these departments will be dead. And what will happen when when these departments will become dead? So we don't find people, industry won't find people with some electrical knowledge and also computer science when there is no electrical course. The industry won't find people with electronics knowledge and the other things. But these departments should be there for the industry, definitely. But how to make it survive, that is the most important thing. And we have to discuss as the senior people and also the people from the industry and all that. So this is the major thing I wanted it. So after finishing your regular agendas, please I request you to think of this. So what to do? What are the elements to be common computer science elements, IT elements common to be done, or specific for the EC to be done, or specific to the mechanical to be done. All these things need to be discussed. I don't know this meeting would be enough or not. Even otherwise also we have to discuss at length. Ramakrishna was telling me from the last 2 years, our people are, teaching outdated and learning outdated things we have to remove. But our professors and BOS members might have given some objections for that. So this is the scenario. Ground level scenario is except computer science and IT, and students are not interested in other branches, and the parents are also not interested in other branches. This is the scenario, and that is the truth also. What is the sector growing faster? It is the IT sector growing faster in the emerging areas like artificial intelligence and big data and other things. So we have to react to that. There is no other way. We have to react to that. So we can't keep quiet. Just like that, when the other universities changes, we'll do it. Our UGC suggests we'll do it. Our AICT will suggest we'll do it. We can't keep quiet just like that. We have to react to the ground level scenario or ground level issue. So thank you. Once again, thank you, Sant Swarup Garu, Babura Garu, and Ramakrishna is very much by my side. And Ramurthy Naidu Garu, Chancellor, and Professor Satyanarayan Garu, Vidhu. How are you, Vidhu? How is your new assignment?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Doing well?
Yes, sir.
Making a mark in that institution like here?
Yes, sir. Very well trying to do that, sir.
So their Vignan is known?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.